Hello everyone. Today is 5 October 2021. Today we discuss about the this keyword in a Java language. Firstly, what is the this keyword? The this keyword it can be refer to the current object in a given method as well as the constructors. It is mostly common. The mostly common example of the uh, this keyword is it is used to eliminate the confusion between the attribute and the parameter of the same name in a given class. This keyword variables can be refers to the state and the behavior of the object. This keyword can used to the used in a language in main six reason. First is it can invoke the argument of the constructed call. It can invoke the arguments for the method call. It can refer the current class. It can refers the current class object, and it can pass an argument. It can pass the argument in the method call, and it can also pass the argument in the constructor call. Then this keyword can be used to the variable hiding. That is the when we declare the local and instant variable. The local variable can be display, but instant variable cannot be display. It means when you use this keyword, that time when you use this keyword in a given method or given class, then the local variable can be display and instant variable can be hide. In that time, this keyword is also used with the constructors. It can be used inside the constructor. It can be used inside the constructor. When we call inside the constructor this keyword at the overloading of the constructor. When the two methods can be overloaded in a one class, then the one method can be override with the arguments, and second method cannot be the second method also override without arguments. When you can use this keyword inside that, then this keyword can be call both the methods without arguments, and with arguments. It can call both, but it cannot be called as a explicitly, because of we can call both methods. Then it can also use for the method loaded we can use this keyword in a method overloaded. Then we can two rules must be follow. First is the method can consist this keyword, and method also consists this keyword or the super keyword. When you overloading constructor can be operate The method consists the this keyword or the super keyword in the program. Let us discuss about the one example of this keyword. If we consider the class of the account, we can declare the instant variable int a and int b inside the class of account. Then we can consider the method public static void method for the execution. At the execution time, we can also declare the local variable in that method, int a and int b. So the a is equal to a and b is equal to b. At the compiler run time, but program cannot be run, compiler give the error. Because at the runtime compiler can get the confused, because we can declare the same name of variables in instant and local variable, but the compiler cannot be found the the compiler cannot be found the address of the memory location, because we can give the same name of both variable. When you declare with the when you declare with this keyword, so the first variable is this a is equal to a and this b is equal to b. So compiler can know that the left side this a is a instant variable, and other side the right side it is a local variable, and second is this a, this b is the instant variable, and other is a b is a local variable. So compiler can easily find the instant and local variable, and it can be assign the data and execute the method. So the data can be simply applied to the local variables. So the next is this keyword can be also used in the used in the constructor when we can create a object. Then the object we create, but for any class we can create object or the constructor. The constructor can be created with the help of this method. When you create a constructor, automatically this keyword can be declared by the system. When we declare the instant variable, then we can create the constructor. Automatically this keyword can be assigned to given instant variables. So next we discuss about the super keyword. Firstly, what is the super keyword? The super keyword can be used to call the superclass method. It is the simple example. It is the common example that it can used to eliminate the confusion between superclass and the subclass. The superclass means the parent class, and subclass means the child class. So it can be used to also like as this keyword. So it can used to the access the data member of the present parent. The super keyword can be used to access the data in a parent class when the both parent class and child class have the member of same member of a member with the same numbers with the same names. And it can be used to explicitly call explicitly call no argument and the parameters with the construction of the parent class. It is used to the access the method of the parent class and parent class when the class have overridden the child class.